Hello guys, today we will be looking at the review of high-grade double GNX or Jinx. So what does come with the kit? Obviously the high-grade GNX, a beam rifle, an extension for the beam rifle to make it a long rifle, a shield, and an open hand, two beam sabers, the manual, and some foil stickers. So this kit has quite some swing lines, mainly here in the forearm. Here you can see here, it's on the back and front, the legs there, it's out of the way. Here the front too. This thing likes to pop off quite easily. Let me just put it back here. There we go. The front of the feet here, there, same line. The back of the head, same line. The skirt, I guess here in the front, but not on the back. It's not that bad. Here on the front, there, same line. So yeah, it's for the same line now. For the articulation, the head, so the chicken neck ball joint that will allow it to go that far forward, back, not much. Obviously it won't allow for 3 to 60 rotation, but you don't need it. You cannot go side to side. This thing here can wiggle around not a bit. They only held the ball joint here. The arm, there's a ball joint under here, and then another ball joint here connects the arm, so it lets it move forward along with this armor piece. There you go. You can see it's actually quite loose. You just pop this back in. There you can see, this is the first time I'm ever seeing this ball joint. The ball joint, the peg. Just pop this back in. There we go. Now for the arm, obviously it handled 60 rotation. Swivel here, 90-degree bend. Well, not quite. Obviously typical ball jointed arms. Now there are no torso movement here, so it cannot go. It can wiggle around. It can go 360 all the way. The GN drive does not move these side skirts. Move. They can go 360 as they're only held by this thing, and then there's a polycap here. So it can move like 360 if it's not for the arm. It can go way back there. The side skirts does not move. The front skirts does not move. The leg can it's okay. Can wiggle on the hip joint, rotate on the hip joint. The back, this back kneecap, I think it's called, can move around. A bend here underneath. It does not bend there, sadly. It's only single joint. Can go that far. Oops. Can go that far. Very little movement here, as you can see. The thing I'm finding is about this thing, this ankle, it cannot move well. It can go that way, yes, not bad. Can go back, that far, forward. Sadly there's no toe joint, so this does not move. This ankle, as you can see, is held like that in those pieces. Silver friction. You can move around but can easily pop off. So yeah, that's it for articulation. Now, the thing I did not like about this kit is the amount of seam lines we need to fill in the move, but that's easy. That is just me nitpicking about the seam lines. The articulation is also quite good. The build process is somewhat easy. It does not need for a complicated build, and it looks great just right out of the box. So overall, the kit Jinx or GNX, whichever you want to call it, is really good. So yeah, pick one up if you can. It's a bit cheap and feels nice too. So yeah, that's it for the review. Thanks for watching. I hope you do enjoy. Bye bye.